What if the most powerful shift in your financial life doesn't arrive with noise or spectacle but unfolds quietly? Many people picture compounding as a sharp upward line, as though wealth multiplies overnight by some kind of magic. In truth, compounding isn't just a chart, it's a psychological challenge. It tests far more than patience. It questions how you see yourself. That's exactly why nearly 89% of investors never make it to the end. They walk away too soon, usually just before meaningful results begin to appear. In this video, I'll walk you through the 5 stages of compounding that most people fail to complete. If you want real success, you must understand what awaits you at each stage. This awareness can be the difference between giving up with nothing and reaching financial freedom. Stay with me until the end, because the 5th stage will completely reshape how you think about money. Let's get started. The first stage is what I call the quiet beginning. This is where most people are truly tested. You invest consistently, reinvest your dividends, follow the plan carefully, yet it feels like nothing is moving. After 6 months, you may have put in a meaningful amount of your own money, but the growth shows only a few $100s, if that. It can feel discouraging, especially when social media is filled with images of luxury cars, vacations, and extravagant lifestyles. This stage often feels slow, repetitive, and may even trigger self-doubt. And that's the point. Starting small is meant to measure your ability to stay disciplined. Many people quit here, confusing slow progress with failure. In reality, this phase is about planting seeds. Above the surface, it seems quiet. Beneath it, foundations are forming and roots are taking hold. If you can remain steady through this calm period, you've already separated yourself from a large portion of investors. Make sure to subscribe and like the video for more practical financial insights. Next comes stage 2, the flicker. This is where compounding begins to reveal its strength. Around 18 to 24 months in, something changes. Your gains over the past month may now surpass what you originally invested. A dividend might buy an extra share on its own, or cover a small expense that once came from your paycheck. The amount may still be modest, but it carries real momentum. You reach a powerful realization. My investments are actually producing results. This stage is crucial because it shifts your mindset. Instead of obsessing over short-term price movements, you start valuing the long-term process. Many investors gain confidence here and choose to invest more. But this stage also carries a risk. The temptation of fast money can pull you toward chasing immediate returns. Some people see this early progress and think, if I go all in on a high-performing stock, I can speed everything up. That's where they go wrong. The flicker exists to strengthen trust in the system, not to abandon it. As you continue forward, you reach stage 3, the turn. This is when the math starts to work in your favor, but more importantly, your identity begins to shift. Your portfolio grows large enough that even small percentage changes create meaningful gains. You may have invested $17,000 over time, and now your account shows $30,000. That extra $13,000 didn't come from luck. It came from steady, accumulated progress. This is the stage that truly sets you apart. You stop seeking validation or quick rewards. You no longer ask friends what to buy, and most importantly, you learn how to stay calm when the market pulls back. At this point, you realize something fundamental. This is not a short-term play. It's a long-term commitment that can span decades. A shift in identity becomes critical here. Without it, moving forward becomes extremely difficult. And this is exactly where many investors begin to struggle. Stage 4 is the accelerating momentum. This is the phase most people dream about, yet very few actually reach. The engine is now running on its own and progress starts to compound with noticeable force. Your quarterly dividends may begin by covering grocery bills, then expand to handle utilities, and eventually even contribute toward rent. You wake up to the understanding that your investments are working for you while you sleep. At this stage, consistent growth no longer depends on adding new money every single month. The compounding system is fully active. Ironically, this is where nearly 68% of investors step away. Why does that happen? Just as momentum builds, distractions appear. Fear of losses, shiny shortcuts, or doubts that pull people off course. Imagine spending 4 years building toward financial independence, getting close to the finish line, and then quitting right before the breakthrough. That's the harsh reality of compounding. Those who make it through experience a new kind of freedom, the ability to leave an unhealthy job, slow down and reassess life, and make choices without money constantly dictating every move. Now we arrive at stage 5, the legacy engine. This is where compounding grows beyond your personal needs and begins shaping the future of others. After 7 to 10 years, the numbers themselves may start to feel less concrete. Your annual returns might pay for a child's education, support a parent's medical care, or help fund a home purchase. At this level, the journey is no longer just about you. You are building a structure designed to last well beyond your lifetime. This is when money becomes more than income. It turns into a tool, a lesson for your family, a foundation for generational wealth, and a safety net for those you care about. The decisions you make here matter deeply. Do you reinvest half and distribute the rest? Do you keep things simple with diversified funds so the system continues working, even without your involvement? The legacy engine isn't about accumulating endlessly. It's about creating stability for the future. The true power of compounding is unmatched. Yet most people never experience all 5 stages because they quit too soon. Many lose motivation during the quiet stillness of the first phase. Attention fades after entering stage 2. The identity shift of stage 3 often goes unnoticed. And tragically, many give up during stage 4, just as freedom is within reach. The real cost of quitting isn't only lost money, it's lost time, something you can never recover. Think about the missed opportunities and the absence of security for your family. That perspective matters. Compounding isn't only about math, it's also a psychological journey. It rewards patience and punishes impulsive decisions. The strategy itself is simple. Invest consistently, reinvest faithfully, avoid unnecessary risks, give time the space to do its work, but enduring the silence, the boredom, and the fear, that's where the real challenge exists. If you've made it this far in the video, congratulations. You've already separated yourself from the majority who stopped too early. By staying engaged, you now have a clear roadmap of what lies ahead. The next step is execution. Watch the next video to uncover 9 subtle financial moves that can help you build real wealth without drawing attention. And don't forget to subscribe. Your support helps us grow the channel and create even more valuable content.